Right, a little time has passed now, and you'll find it quite funny to know I've managed to get myself quite lost. Good morning, guys. I'm in paradise right now. This morning I thought I'd go for a little run, and I'm glad I did. It's absolutely awesome out here right now. It's boiling hot. Well, it's still cold, but you got the sun coming down and I'm just hot because I've been running. I am so unfit, I'm telling you. But I think I need to do this more often because I am really enjoying it at the moment. A little time has passed now, and you'll find it quite funny to know I've managed to get myself quite lost. I have no idea where I am. I've ran pretty far, I'm not going to lie. I'll say I got about an hour until someone's going to find me, head down in the river, because I have no idea where I am, and I'm kind of freaking out right now because I thought I knew where I was. It turns out I didn't. Turns out I have no idea where I am. Wait, this looks promising. I'll keep you up to date. Well, the good news is I've been here before, but the problem is I don't know the way back from here. So, still pretty screwed. Well, I'm lost, and I really need a wee. I think I have to go in the bush. I am absolutely busted. Well, it's as good a place as any to have a wee, I guess. I've now been lost in the woods for around about 58 minutes. I'm starting to think this might be the end. So to anyone who finds this, I don't know. Make sure I go away in like a good way. Like, make sure everyone's wearing like colourful suits and stuff at my funeral, because it's feel depressing as shit if you don't. But I'm seriously really lost right now. Oh, it's a rope swing. Don't know if you can see it on here. It's really thin. I wouldn't trust it. Right, now I'm in a right fucking dilemma. That way or that way? Fuck. I see houses that way, so I'm gonna go this way, and if it's not the right way, I'll go that way. I'll come back. I really underestimated the size of this fucking forest. That is nowhere near my house. Well, I'm at the forest for now. Now I can't be 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure if I follow this path, I'll find my way back. Look where I am. Mental. It's very beautiful at the same time though. I mean, don't you just want that with your eggs in the morning? That just looks yummy as heck. Oh, it's so rank. Oh. Good news though, you're about to see me fall. But no, the good news is that actually, I finally know where I am. I'm actually going to make it home, and you guys can watch me fail here. Fuck. I'm good. Right, I don't know if you guys can hear that, I doubt you can. Right now I can hear the sound of a road, a motorway, which means I'm finally basically home. It's about goddamn time. Oh no, oh yeah, up here. Thank God. I'm home! Oh, I honestly thought I was gonna die. I need a shower. So bad. But first I need a drink. He isn't doing it right now, but this cat, excuse my hair by the way, I'm getting in the shower now. This cat is mesmerised by the washing machine. He ain't doing it now, but he absolutely loves the washing machine. Rio, say hello. Say hello. He's throwing so much already. Alright, love you too. Come on then. Getting big already, little man. baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, I'm a girl like you, she likes everyone. Captain Jack Sparrow, I challenge you to a sword fight. Cha! Oh, shower's done. Time to get dressed. I haven't told you what I'm doing today. Today I'm going to go beach. That's basically it. I'm not actually 100% sure what beach or whereabouts we're going. I'm just going to get picked up and we're going to go, so I was going to take you guys with me, I guess. I don't know what sort of vlog it's going to be. I don't know if it's going to be like a sort of cinematic vlog or just a normal talking vlog, which I have to wait and see, won't we? I'm so knackered after that run, I'm not going to lie, and I'm so thirsty and hungry. So now, after getting changed, I need to go and get some breakfast. I think today's going to be a hat day because my hair just isn't corresponding with me at the moment, even after the shower, so it's a good chance I'm going to have to wear it. Alright, what do I want? I want a drink, but I think I also want some shreddies.
What a finish! Unbelievable!
Well, I'm going to sit back, eat my breakfast with my cat, and don't eat my food, and watch the Olympics. I love this place. I really do love it. It's so gorgeous.
Everything changes.
Oh, I don't want to come the rest of this hill. God, it absolutely stinks. I'm home now, after the beach. It was good fun. I fell asleep for most of it, but it was still good. And now, I'm just gonna chill back, sit back. That was the wrong way around. I'm gonna sit back and chill, and I'm gonna watch Paper Towns, because I wanna know if it's good or not. So I'll let you know if it is.